Salt, something we use every single day in cooking, preservation, and even medicine. But few people ever ask where it really comes from.
Behind these simple white crystals is a powerful industrial process operating on a massive scale. Today, we go inside a salt factory to see how raw salt is transformed into the product used around the world. Salt production begins in open coastal fields, where seawater is carefully managed and left to evaporate.
These channels control how minerals concentrate as water levels drop. As evaporation increases, salt crystals slowly emerge. Workers monitor crystal thickness to determine the right harvesting time. When conditions are right, harvesting machines move into position. These machines gently lift raw salt without damaging the crystals.
At this stage, the salt still contains moisture and natural impurities. Manual work supports machines in maintaining consistent quality.
The harvested salt is arranged for additional surface drying. Natural heat removes remaining surface moisture. Once dried, heavy machinery prepares the salt for transport. Each scoop carries several tons of raw salt. This salt is not yet suitable for consumption.
Natural impurities must be removed during later processing.
Covered transport prevents contamination. Thousands of tons move daily toward processing plants.
This is the transition from nature to industry.
The factory operates continuously to meet global demand. Every delivery is recorded before processing. Uniformity is essential for effective purification. Human oversight remains critical.
Even raw salt follows strict handling standards.
Temporary storage ensures uninterrupted processing.
The next stage focuses on cleanliness. Purification systems stand ready. Phase 1 ends. Refinement begins.
After harvesting, salt enters the purification stage.
Here, raw salt is washed to remove surface impurities.
Water dissolves unwanted minerals and debris. Clay and sand are flushed out during this process.
Large factories wash several tons of salt simultaneously.
A final rinse improves cleanliness.
Screens separate clean salt from wastewater. Contaminated water is safely redirected. Purification reveals cleaner, whiter crystals. Centrifuges remove excess water. This step prepares salt for drying.
Operators monitor consistency and moisture levels.
Vibration helps separate uniform grains. Grain size control begins here.
Stainless systems prevent contamination.
Digital sensors ensure purity standards.
Quality checks happen at every stage.
Lab tests confirm mineral balance. Only approved batches move forward. Purified salt now enters controlled drying.
Moisture levels drop rapidly.
Precise control ensures consistency.
This is edible grade salt in progress.
Drying is the next critical step. These systems remove remaining moisture.
Controlled heat prepares salt for crystal stability. Uniform feeding prevents clumping.
This phase ensures safety and cleanliness.
Purification is complete. Next, the crystals are dried and stabilized. After washing, salt must be carefully dried to stabilize each crystal. Controlled heat removes remaining moisture. Even drying prevents clumping.
Factories process several tons at once.
Temperature control is critical.
Dry salt flows more easily.
Cooling prevents crystal damage. Rapid cooling locks crystal structure.
This defines texture and quality.
Grain size is refined here. Different uses require different sizes. Sorting improves consistency. Visual checks confirm uniformity. Moisture must stay within strict limits. Only stable batches continue. Enclosed systems prevent contamination.
Cooling continues across long distances. Automation maintains balance.
Temperature stabilization is complete.
Dry crystals resist clumping during storage. The next step adds essential nutrients. This prepares salt for human consumption. Production lines adapt to demand.
Human oversight ensures reliability.
Uniform flow improves efficiency.
Clean handling protects quality. Drying and cooling conclude here. Phase 3 is complete. Next comes fortification. Stability ensures shelf life.
After drying, salt enters the iodization stage.
Iodine is essential for human health. It is added in extremely small, controlled amounts.
Even distribution is critical.
Blending ensures consistency in every grain. The process protects crystal structure.
Large-scale demand requires parallel processing.
Sensors track iodine levels in real time.
Automation ensures accuracy. Now, quality testing begins.
Samples are taken from every batch.
Each sample undergoes chemical analysis.
Precise measurement protects consumers. Moisture levels affect shelf life.
Texture is carefully evaluated.
Foreign particles are eliminated.
Substandard batches are reprocessed.
Only approved salt moves ahead.
This keeps salt free-flowing.
Final formulation is completed.
Salt is temporarily stored.
Storage conditions are constantly monitored. The salt is now consumption ready.
Every batch is documented.
Packaging is the next step.
This is where science meets scale.
Human oversight remains essential.
Yes.
Phase 4 concludes here. Next, salt becomes a finished product.
Now, salt enters the packaging stage.
Exact weight ensures consistency.
Every packet is carefully filled. Automation allows massive production.
Sealing protects purity. Information matters to consumers. Speed meets precision.
Defective packs are instantly rejected.
Quality control continues till the end.
Retail packs are organized for shipping. Bulk packaging serves commercial markets.
Traceability is essential. Manual handling still plays a role. Robots increase efficiency. Loads are stabilized for transport. Logistics begins inside the factory. Salt is stored before shipment. Distribution is carefully planned. Salt is ready to leave the factory.
From factory to market.
Distribution spans entire regions.
This is the salt we use every day.
From factory to daily life.
A simple crystal, made at massive scale. This is how salt reaches the world.
Process complete.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more factory documentaries.
See you next time.